This is the DLS211. It's Makita's brand new 36 volt, 305mm cordless slide compound miter saw. This saw is all about high precision cutting without sacrificing cutting capacity. You can miter up to 60 degrees both directions with quick stops at all your common angles. Saw features a rail forward design which gives you great rigidity, a smooth action for a nice finish on all of your cuts, and it means you can operate the saw close to a wall. On the front of that rail is the control for rolling the saw over for 45 degrees. You can bevel 45 both ways. Just make sure you remove the fence before doing so. The saw has a brushless motor powered by two 18-volt batteries, and it features Makita's automatic torque drive technology. When you push the saw hard, the 802 will draw more power, increase your torque, and push the saw through the cut. It takes a 305mm blade. I found it really quick to change, and the tool for doing so is located in the end of the rail. Now, you often find dust extraction on drop saws a little lackluster, but I was really impressed with the dust extraction on this saw when paired with the DVC 864L. And the AWS will auto start that dust extractor when you squeeze the trigger. Makita's DLS211 is suited for the site and the shop. It is a beefy saw and you've got to check it out. You got any questions about this saw? Hit me up in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim. You're watching Sydney Tools TV.